everyone, this is Namita here. I'm back again with a new topic. Get her chase you rather than you chasing her. Sounds interesting? Or get him chase you rather than you chasing him. So it is applicable to both a boy or a girl, to any of the chemistries that we are talking about here. See, what happens in real life is that we are attracted towards a person, and at times even the other person is attracted towards me. So he's attracted towards me or she's attracted towards me, and I really want to be around her. There is no problem. In fact, you must take an initiative. I am always of the opinion that a person must take initiative. You need to go out. You need to have that confidence. You need to go out to her and say that I really like you, or hey, how are you doing? Whatever that we'll talk about later in our videos. So today I'm going to tell you is that you want her to come to you. So, okay, you took the first step, you took the first initiative. You went ahead and you told her that you really like her, or you went ahead and you told him that you know how amazing he is. But what happens after that? What happens after that is at times we continue, we overdo the things where we should have taken a step or a pause earlier, or we should have gone back now. We have to show our value as well. It should not be like he or she then starts looking around our shoulders or looking around that time. Okay, I think we are done, we need to find a way out to skip. You should not come to that situation, because you see, to have a longer conversation, to have something more meaningful, I need to earn it or you need to earn it. Then only we can be in a situation. At times what we do is, at times I find that suppose I went and I met someone for the first time, and then what happens is after maybe 2 or 3 meetings, he or she starts writing to me. She starts writing to me as if I'm her only best friend in the world and I'm the one that she was looking for, or I am the person that is of utmost importance in the life. No, it has to flow. It has to come into that pattern. You cannot create it. You cannot jump to that. You have to take a step and then another step. Attraction is about push and pull, push and pull. So if you're going to push too hard, or if you're going to be available for that person too much, it will take away the charm. I know you're not liking it, because your heart, your mind, it says that you need to be around that person. I know, I can understand, I can relate to that feeling. But if you want that attraction to be running, if you want him to chase you, if you want her to chase you, you need to go there, take a step, give your energy, give your investment, and wait for that person to give it back. Because the game is about I throw a ball and you throw a ball at me back, because then only the charm is there. The charm is not that I am only throwing the ball, I am only giving the energy, or I am always making you feel happy. After some time I'll say, oh, what am I doing? Where am I? I'm done with this. No, it has to go longer. You want her to chase you, so be there, be available, be of high value. But then after that, you need to move away. You need to tell him or her that you've got something lined up, and you obviously have. You have much more important things in life as well. And then if he or she calls you, turns around, if you are standing, maybe both of you are standing right in front, and then you move here and you find that him or her, that person or the other significant other is looking at you, it means he or she is getting interested in you. So you have to take that ball or take that game on, and you need to go back. You need to wait for that person to take a step ahead. Do not be in a rush to reply back, to run around. Wait, and that's when the ball begins to throw, and you can feel that flow in your communication, in your relationship, and you see that him or her coming after you. So that was one small tip which I just decided today that I need to give you. If you've liked my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below.